May I refer briefly to the question of the state's reorganization, which has been discussed here during the last 4 days. I have been greatly distressed about much that has happened. It has caused me much unhappiness and produced in me a sense of failure which I do not often have. However, what has worried me and distressed me most is not so much the actual occurrence as the growth of a spirit of violence all over the country, or at any rate in parts of it. The attempt to settle problems by violent methods is, I think, very bad for this country, regardless of the merits of any cause. Once you enter the region of trying to settle problems by violent methods, you go towards something that is perilously near to civil war. Parachin, our country, with all its faults, has shown to the world a certain stability, certain peace, a certain measure of progress, and thereby established a certain reputation. This reputation is based on some fundamental characteristics. If we enter the region of violent explosions simply because dislike this thing or that, then we lose not only our reputation but something much more important than that. Parachin, are we going to become the type of country where every other month one hears of some kind of a violent revolution? That is not democracy but something which is the very reverse of democracy. Apart from that, it is a complete denial of any idea of measured or ordered progress. I can understand an attitude, and I believe that some people hold that attitude, that nothing can be achieved by these slow democratic or parliamentary methods, that nothing can be achieved by peaceful methods, that in fact nothing can be achieved if one goes about it step by step, that one must break everything and produce some kind of a clean slate to start afresh on. I do not agree with an attitude. I think it is a matter for the Lok Sabha to consider very carefully where all this is leading us to, quite apart from the state's reorganization report. Parachin, in great cities and elsewhere there are always anti-social elements, gundas and the like. One can deal with them if society generally disapproves of them, as it does. But when society approves of violent methods, then the gundas can immediately have the chance of their lifetime.